Today, let's take a look at a kit by DEWALT. This is for drywalling as well as driving screws. This is such an awesome kit. I really do like it a lot. For starters, you're getting a contractor bag. You're getting two 5 amp hour batteries with the power meter on the front. You're getting a charger with mountable holes on the back so you can mount this on a wall or a platform or something like that. And the actual tools. We've got 2 brand new tools and we've got an older tool which is absolutely awesome. This is the 3-mode of speed impact driver. This is the 887. I love this impact. I've got a few of these. Got 3 lights on the front, quick change 1/4-inch bit holder on the front. We have variable speed in the trigger, and then you have the 3 modes of speed across the bottom here. I typically keep it in mode 3 anyhow because I'm always going fast. Now we've got the belt clip, which we can put on the left or the right hand side. And when you put a 5 amp hour battery on here, you're good to go. Next off, we've got this new and improved drywall gun. It has all the controls up top now, so it's all digitally controlled up here, which is really nice. You've got a slow speed, you've got a fast speed, you have the auto run function where it's just running, and then the 4th function, as soon as you push the screw against the wall, it turns on. It's a really nice function to have. That way it's not wasting your battery, it's not loud. It's just as soon as you put the screw on the tip, push against the drywall, it's sunk. So it's really nice. You got a good belt clip up here as well as one on the side. This has a good LED light underneath. You've got the ability to pull the nose off, put it in reverse, and just fix that screw if you have to, or drive it in further if you need. The front, you can totally change the depth really quickly just right here on the nose. This is brushless, so it's gonna last a really long time, and it's very comfortable in the hand. You have to hold it the way I'm holding it. You can see my hand can't really fit in here like I can with this one. So you have to hold it like this, and you use these fingers to operate the trigger. And it keeps the gun nice and in line with your wrist, so when you're pushing, it's just a nice straight uniform way to drive that screw. Because if you're holding it down here, sometimes you get a little bit off, a little bit crooked. So you want to hold it nice and straight. Next, we've got the drywall cutout tool. So this is the new and improved one. It has a smaller grip, which is really nice, really easy to hold. We have the on-off button up top now. So you just press that and it's on. Press it again and it's off. This has a really bright LED light so you can see in closets, wherever you're working. It's really nice. And you've got the toolless bit change on the front. So you just have to hold this button down, and then you've got this button on the side. You just push it in. It'll clamp around the nut here on the collet, and you can just open it up, change your bit really quick. You can also pull this guard off if you want. Super easy. Just give it a tug. Comes off. I know a lot of guys don't like these. They just operate them like this. That's typically how I do it as well. For safety, we're just going to keep it on here just like that. This is fully adjustable as well, so you can move this in and out wherever you want. And on the side here, they have a place for the Bluetooth Connect. So this little piece of plastic comes out. You can buy the chip, screw it in here, and then you've got the Connect system on this. You can also do it on this tool as well. They have it on here. This model, they don't have it. You can see this is an older model, so they haven't put it in here yet. So I absolutely love these new drywall tools. I think they're so much better than the older models. They're fast, they're efficient, they're really comfortable to use, and I'm really impressed. All right, guys, I hope the video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.